stretch in the world. World's greatest.
All right, I'm gonna say one thing and then I'm gonna pass it off to Coach Lujo, all right? 2 of those 3 groups were looking really, really good because they were taking pride in their communication. When you take pride in your communication, people know what they're supposed to do, people know what's happening, they know when the ball's coming their way, they know when it's their turn to give the ball up, all right? One of those groups that didn't look as good wasn't taking pride in that communication. Those little things pay huge dividends when it comes to the game.
Carter Harris, 2025, Stars Box. One thing about True Lacrosse, probably be the family aspect, like the team building stuff and things we do together.
My name's Sky Rold. I play midfield. I'm a 2024. I've been playing True Lacrosse for 6 years. I play True for the numerous amount of training opportunities I can get in the national level.
My name is Colby Sanders. The reason I play for True, going out east and having the opportunity is really special. Favorite part of training, you get it year round, high intensity. Coaches will push you, teammates will push you. It's just very, very nice environment to be in.